Hello kids! A frog and a toad are two different animals, but they are closely related. In this video, we will learn what is the difference between a frog and a toad. First of all, let's talk about their appearance. Frogs usually have smooth, moist and slimy skin, whereas toads have dry, bumpy and warty skin. It's like the difference between a slippery fish and a bumpy stone. Frogs come in a variety of colors, from green and brown to red and blue, while most toads are typically brown or gray. They can also vary in size, with some frogs growing up to 12 inches long. Toads are generally smaller, usually no more than 3 inches long. Frogs have long legs that are great for jumping and swimming. Their feet are webbed, which helps them move around in the water. Toads have shorter legs and their feet are not webbed. They are not as good swimmers as frogs, but their legs are great for walking on land. Frogs have bulging eyes that stick out from their heads, while toads have eyes that are more recessed. They also have different types of teeth. Frogs have teeth on the upper and lower jaw, while toads only have teeth on the upper jaw. Now, let's look at their habitats. Frogs prefer to live near water, such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. They need to stay moist to survive, so they're not found in deserts. Toads can live in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even deserts. They are more adaptable to different environments than frogs. Frogs are carnivorous, which means they eat meat. They typically eat insects, worms, and other small animals. Some frogs are also good at catching fish. Toads are also carnivorous and they eat similar foods to frogs. However, they are less active hunters and mostly eat what they find. Frogs typically lay their eggs in water, while toads lay their eggs on land. Frog eggs hatch into tadpoles, which are aquatic creatures with tails. Tadpoles grow legs and lose their tails as they mature into frogs. Toads don't have a tadpole stage in their life cycle. When a toad egg hatches, it looks like a miniature version of an adult toad. Now let's talk about their lifespan. On average, frogs live for 5 to 10 years in the wild, but some species can live longer. Toads generally live longer than frogs, with a lifespan of 10 to 20 years. Lastly, frogs and toads play an important role in the ecosystem. They are both predators and prey. They help control populations of insects and other small animals. And they also provide food for larger animals such as snakes, birds, and mammals. So, to sum it up, here is a table showing the key differences between a frog and a toad. We learned that frogs have smooth, moist and slimy skin, while toads have dry, bumpy and warty skin. Frogs have long legs and webbed feet, while toads have shorter legs and non-webbed feet. Frogs typically live near water, while toads can live in a variety of habitats. Frogs lay their eggs in water, while toads lay their eggs on land. And finally, frogs have bulging eyes that stick out from their heads, while toads have more recessed eyes. So there you have it, kids. Now you know the difference between a frog and a toad. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. And as always, thanks for watching.